Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of laptops, and we've got a gem to share with you. If you're in the market for a 14-inch laptop, you're in luck because we're reviewing the HP Stream laptop. And it's packed with features that make it one of the best in its class. Let's start with the basics. The HP Stream laptop boasts a 14-inch HD display, making it the perfect size for both work and play. With its Intel Celeron N4120 processor, it's equipped to handle various tasks efficiently. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. One of the standout features of this laptop is its memory and storage. It comes with a whopping 16 GB of high-speed RAM, allowing you to multitask seamlessly. And for storage, you get not one, but two options: a 64 GB eMMC for fast boot up, and an additional 256 GB card for ample storage space. That's plenty of room for all your files, documents, and even multimedia. Speaking of performance, the Intel Celeron N4120 processor in this laptop offers a burst frequency of up to 2.6 GHz, with 4 cores and 4 threads. This means you can run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. The 14-inch diagonal display features HD resolution with an anti-glare, micro-edge design, and it offers 220 nits brightness, providing a crisp and clear viewing experience. Plus, it covers 45% of the NTSC color gamut for vibrant visuals. When it comes to connectivity, the HP Stream laptop has you covered. It features one SuperSpeed USB Type-C port, two SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports, an HDMI 1.4 port, an RJ45 port, and an AC Smart Pin. You'll also find a headphone-microphone combo jack, a built-in webcam, and reliable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. As an added bonus, this laptop comes with a 1-year subscription to Office 365, ensuring you have access to essential productivity tools right out of the box. It runs on Windows 11 Home, the latest operating system from Microsoft. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. The HP Stream laptop comes in a sleek white color that gives it a modern and stylish look. It's not just powerful, it's also visually appealing. Before we wrap up, it's essential to note that this product is designed for use in the US. So if you plan to use it internationally, you may need an adapter or converter. Please check compatibility before purchasing. The best part? Despite all these fantastic features, the HP Stream laptop is priced at just $278.55, making it an incredible value for what it offers. To sum it up, the HP Stream laptop is undoubtedly one of the best 14-inch laptops on the market. With its powerful performance, ample memory and storage, and a range of connectivity options, it's perfect for both work and play. If you're ready to upgrade your laptop game, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the HP Stream laptop today. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.